Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My handyman told me that if there's anything that you should have in the home, it's your own tools so that you can easily make repairs whenever you need to. Thanks to this super awesome set from WEDTSERHA, I have everything that I need and more to be able to make repairs around the home. This kit includes the really sturdy toolbox that holds all of the wonderful 178 different tools. You can see from the inside that it includes wrenches, it includes a hammer, it includes different drill bits, it even includes a flashlight as well as electrical wiring tape if needed. I also really appreciate the 21-volt drill, which is definitely such a lifesaver because it's something that you need all the time. The drill works very easily, it holds a good battery charge, it includes all of the tools that you need to go with it, and it's easy to change out the drill bits anytime. The drill even has a light to reach into hard to see places so that you can do the job successfully. All of the tools are really well made. They have sturdy plastic handles that's a hard plastic, making them easy to work with. Of course, there's times when you definitely may need to hire a professional, but it's super nice to be able to have all the tools that I need handy for whenever I might be able to do the job myself. Being able to have the right tool for different jobs really is such a help, and it saves you from a lot of aggravation. This toolbox has everything that I need, and I feel like it's going to really be a long-lasting set that will be able to help me out whenever I need it. And that's just my point of view.